Hi, this is the Adam Nugent Rosenberger version alternator main generator for a diesel coupling. As we saw in the squirrel engine, the load regulator in the back, in the front here would be the main generator, and then the alternator. These square boxes are rectifier bridges for terminal ports, and we'll look at this side. We have our dialer. I'll move this forward. So right here we have our dialer, and it goes into a synchronizing motor, commutator rings. It's moved in a little bit further more commutator rings, then into the speed dialer system. Capacitors run at an angle, and then into the synchronizing and induction coil with an induction coil. We drag into here. We have our rectifier bridges at 4 different points. We see our communicator brushes. There are about 20 of them. So they're held together on these two little lines right here by rubber bands, creating a nice gentle sleeve on the induction coil. And then when they get there, we can show the different. You can see how they apart from each other, and then we get to the end of the induction oil and end of the induction coil. Slowly. Another speed dialer. And then it's given a wall between the alternator generator. We also have rectifiers on the electric generator. Your throttles would go on the load regulator to keep the synchronizingness, and then we move through. We have another synchronizing motor, and then we get into the load rectifier bridge. Another speed dialer here, and shows the cage and the union. We have a brush that keeps the contact coils on the squirrel motor, which would be an alternator generator in this sense. And then we move through. We get another coil, and then into the speed. So we've closed in both speed dials. And then we have another solenoid with a synchronizing motor, and then commutators on the side. And then we move back into the dialer system. Then we look at the load regulator. It's got a horn here. This roll will roll 180 degrees, and we'll stop right there. The keys are fixed with a rubber band. There's different layers and plies. This here is a coil that keeps it. You can see it's kind of like a coil that keeps the keys to the plugs of the load regulator facing outward. So this roller system right here. This roller system right there, right here, rolls on the keys, and then they're held with another belt. And in the back, we have on the other side a kind of the same thing as the other side. Here, let's escape this, and then. And it shows the hookups for the load regulator, the keys, and then it has an outside tap to the load regulator keys. And this has been a quick look at the alternator generator load regulator set for the diesel locomotive.